In this video, we're going to talk about how do you turn off background data usage on your iPhone. It's one of the biggest way your apps use data, and sometimes you don't even know it that they're using all that data. And if you have data limits, this is really bad. Okay, so let's jump right into this. And actually, before we do that, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's go and turn off the background data usage. The first thing we're going to do is go to Settings, and then look for General. And then you're gonna, right under iPhone storage, you're gonna click on background app refresh. And look at this, all these apps are using the data. So click on this background app refresh and it's on right now. When you do that, look at this. So right now, this refresh is, I have it turned on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. If I wanna save my cellular data, I can either turn it off or switch it to Wi-Fi. That's it. So simple. You can save a lot of your data by turning it off or switching it to Wi-Fi. I know a lot of people have limits from their Sprints or T-Mobiles or their cellular providers. So this is how you can save a lot of that data. So go turn off your background app refresh. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.